Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Deep Patel. I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Bennett University. I am a final year undergraduate and a journalist by profession. Today, I will walk you all through my internship experience at Pepper Content as a founder's office consultant, the challenges that I faced here, and the learnings that I had in the past 6 months. Let's move to the next slide. What will be the agenda of this video? We will discuss about Pepper Content, why Pepper wins, tools and platform that I used here, work done by me at Pepper Content. We'll cover each and everything, the problem, solution and the impact, challenges that I faced and the learnings that I had during this tenure. Pepper Content. Pepper Content has a clear vision. We want to become the world's largest content marketplace for the web and social. Till date, raised $18.7 million and backed by Bessemer Venture Partners, Lightspeed, and other angel investors. Pepper Content is a content marketplace which can fulfill everyone's content need. Along with the content marketplace, we have an exciting SaaS product, Peppertype.ai, a GPT-3 based content generation product which anyone can create short form content like product descriptions, Instagram captions, Quora reviews, etc. in a matter of few minutes. Let's discuss why Pepper wins. Pepper wins because of two major factors. First being the top-notch service, second be the visionary product. With the top-notch service, why? Because we have network of thousands of creators which we vet through stringent tests. Only top 5% of our creators gets through. We are a one-stop shop text across solution across all languages and videos. We have built a visionary product. Why? We cover all the content needs, right from the content ideation, creation, management, distribution, and analytics. We use top-notch technologies like AI, ML, and NLP to improve our product and improve the customer experience. We also focus on product adoption and customer success. Let's look at the tools and platform that I used during my internship as founder's office consultant at Pepper Content. To name a few, I used LinkedIn Recruiter and Freshly ATS for sourcing of candidates and looking at the hiring funnel. I used OpenAI Playground for writing GPT prompts and content for a lot of companies like Adani, Oyo, etc. I used Metabase and Google Sheets to connect with them to get data-driven insights and make data-driven decisions. I also use NotPass, which is an LMS for our sales academy and also the L&D program. Right from June, I've done a lot of work at Pepper Content. Variety of work, dynamic. I've worked with tons of teams here. Like probably every team, be it the category team, supply team, TA team, the data analytics team, the product team. So I've listed all the work down which I had done in the past 6 months. Firstly, I've converted 1000 plus Metabase visualizations into questions and categorized them into metrics according to the team. So I have categorized all the metrics that will be necessary for a particular team to make data-driven decisions. I've written an app script to connect Google Sheets to Metabase and automate it every day. I've sourced 1200 plus relevant ICP. ICP means ideal candidate profile for sales, account management, customer success, category managers, and even analytics lead. I've written GPT-3 prompts and generated content using OpenAI Playground for clients like Oyo, Adani, Dream11, Amala Earth, and Swanky. Perform competitor analysis for SEO of products out there like Conductor SEO, SE Ranking, Bright Edge, etc. I've performed industry and sub-industry retagging exercise for 500 plus creators by screening through their LinkedIn and CV. Now let's discuss the work one by one. The COE team. Now I am part of Center of Excellence team. What are the problems that my team is solving? First, there is no proper industry and sub-industry categorization for all the creators. Secondly, we don't have a redressal framework and the redressal product is not up to the mark. What is the solution and what I am doing? I screened of 500 plus creator profiles and mapped them to their industry and sub-industries. I have collaborated with product team to modify and improve redressal product. I have collected data, organized it and took data-driven decisions for different creators. I have also audited work logs of top 150 clients with the customer experience team. Secondly, I've written prompts. So what is prompts? Prompts is basically something that you write in OpenAI Playground. It's a GPT prompt. I use DaVinci model to write all the prompts. What is the problem? the unstructured content being generated and delivered by OpenAI models. I've There was increase of editorial and writer costs due to non-factual data generations. Solution and what I had done here. I was working on writing efficient prompts so that the model generates factual and structured output consistently. I was working and I am still right now working on projects that were generating website content for the Oyo Vacation Homes or Bell Villa. I have generated and I fixed one of our major clients. It's a 6.5 lakh retainer client. I fixed their content. Third is L&D program. Once a creator comes to our platform, they have a certain knowledge. We as a company want those creators to get the inner insights of how paper works, what knowledge should they grasp. What was the problem? New creators onboarded on the platform lacked knowledge of paper content and its offerings. There was no proper knowledge of how to use the platform. Solution and what I did. I am acting as a program manager in the L&D program. I do cross-stakeholder management, setting up meets with the vendor and the team. I reconcile all the resources for the L&D program. I make sure that the content is delivered by the vendor on time with the expected quality. Let's move to the another slide. Here, the problem was at paper content, product adoption was not defined for paper content. What does product adoption actually means? For example, for Slack, product adoption means if someone has sent close around 10,000 messages, then the consumer has adopted a product. Such a definition was not determined by paper content. I helped the team to determine the definition. There was no different product tools for self-serve and enterprise users. Currently, there are no interactive product tools. They are all static. What is the solution that I did? I defined product adoption and related metrics by communicating with all the stakeholders in product team. I researched about companies or SaaS products which helps in achieving product adoption. I have set up demos and I have fixed an inexpensive but yet good tool for product tools. Work that I had did and the other impact that I had created from June 22 to present. Firstly, being Metabase cleanup, I have worked on important project beneficial for the whole organization. The task was to summarize 1200 plus data visualizations into questions and narrow it down, consisting of only important metrics for the team. Like I said, I have sourced close on 1200 plus ICP profiles for sales, account management, editors, and analytics lead. I have connected Metabase and Google Sheets together. Earlier, it was a 6 to 7 step process that you need to do every day. I have written a script that will automate it every day at a certain amount of time. Suppose you want to automate it 8 am to 9 am, it will do it. So, this is one thing that I was really excited was working with the business team. I have done RCA for the business team. I have also, what is meant by RCA? It's root cause analysis. I've actually looked at the whole revenue funnel and see how much amount of money has been lost, how many customers have been churned. So right from the pilots to the end, I've seen it all. Also, when it came, we were working on a product. For that, I was doing the primary research. Primary research by me, doing the research from scratch. You need to, talk to other companies, other consumers, see what they are doing. Challenges that I faced while working on this project. Firstly, was developing automation logic for Metabase and Google Sheets when I was connecting them. Secondly, was delivering cross-stakeholder messages. For this, probably I have been criticized once till date. I had bandwidth issues when working with 4 projects at a single time. So this is the life of a journalist. You work on a variety of projects at the same time. I had the lack of product knowledge for projects that were required, such as the product adoption that I was working on. I lacked the knowledge of what product adoption actually means in other startups, the GTM strategy, and etc. At one point of time, I have utilized probably the whole hiring funnel. Like I was unable to source an ideal candidate profile for sales or account management since the hiring pipeline was exhausted by me. Lastly, before working on the prompts, I lacked the understanding of OpenAI and its playground, and also the other models like DaVinci, Curie, Ada, Baggage, etc. Learnings from all the projects and the teams that I have worked with till now. I've learned how to write prompts and use OpenAI playground. I've cracked the automation logic, that link Metabase and Google Sheets directly. Right now at this stage, I think I'm really good at cross stakeholder management. I've also done RCA for like contraction to receivable funnel. These words I didn't understand first, but right now I have a good knowledge about it. I know what is product adoption, activation, and retention, like a lot of product terms. I've also have been skilled in usage of booleans in LinkedIn Recruiter. So booleans is not only that we use in computer science, but it also can be used on a platform known as LinkedIn Recruiter. This is the one thing that my mentor was, probably has told me twice or thrice that you need to learn Excel. It is really good, and right now I'm actually learning, and I feel I'm intermediate learner at that. Thank you.